All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Legacy Dent Company. It's your host, Dean. In the last video, I promised that if we could get 50 likes on that video, that we would give away all of the dent repair tools that we reviewed in that video. You guys showed up, showed out, blew those numbers out of the water. We've got over 250 likes on that video, 10,000 and running views on that video, over 180 new subscribers added to our account, and over 30 of you have actually gone over to Amazon and purchased those tools. That far exceeded our expectations. We did not think that video was going to perform that well. So thank you so much for the love and support. I hope the tools for you at home are just as fun as they were for us here in the shop, especially as a dent guy. I was kind of blown away at the cheap dent repair tools being as good as they are. Expect some future videos coming up. We're going to be giving some tips and tricks on how to actually use the tools. If you're going to be purchasing them, I at least want to be able to give a little bit of guidance. So we'll be talking about light, finding your tool tip, knocking down. So expect some of those videos. We also got our very first subscriber suggested tool to go ahead and review, and that's going to be the Maddox glue pulling set from Harbor Freight. So be expecting that video as well. Thank you so much for the suggestion. But with all of that said, you guys killed it in that, so it's time to give one away. I've got a comment generator already set up here. The video inserted. We've got 30 plus comments that are going to be in this randomizer. So here we go. Let's pick a winner for the Amazon Dent Repair Tool Set, and our winner is Big AP. Very cool. He says, good video, but I'll leave this to the pros. That's funny. But hey, Big AP, if you can go over to Instagram, at Legacy Dent Co. is our sign. If you could go ahead and connect with me, send me a direct message so I can confirm that this is you. Let's get an address if you want to, and let's get this set over to you. So it's going to be all three purchases. It's the dent set, the light, and the blending hammer. I hope you have some fun. Big AP, let's connect. You guys, thank you for all of the support. Expect some videos coming up. Get down in the comment section down below and congratulate Big AP for the win. Now, work hard and go be great. Whew.